CloudSee Drive makes it easy for everyone on your team to work with Amazon S3. CloudSee has a simple interface, much like Finder or Explorer. No installation or training necessary. First, let's take a look at how users can browse S3. As an administrator, you define the privileges for buckets, folders, groups, and users. Once you allow access, users can browse anything you enabled. Everything works as users expect. They can easily browse files and folders the way they usually do. To preview any S3 object, you click on the file name. You'll see a new window appear on the right side of the browser. You can click the object shown or open the Actions menu. See the three dots? We have a variety of tools available for S3 content. CloudSee supports over 100 different file types, including images, video, documents, and zip files. Users can break through the limitations of S3's basic capabilities. We have options for adding metadata to files, including AWS tags. Adding metadata makes it easier and faster to find files later. Help your team collaborate with time-limited shareable links. We can also mark favorites to instantly find files we always use. CloudSee displays your favorites and recent files on the left. One-click access. As you can see, CloudSee helps everyone to manage basic file operations. No training, no administrative hassles.